What is the largest land mammal? Elephant. Giraffe. Elephant. Which bird is known for its intelligence? Parrot. Owl. Parrot. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Lion. Cheetah. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Tortoise. Elephant. Tortoise. Which marine mammal is known for its intelligence? Dolphin. Whale. Dolphin. What is the largest snake in the world? Anaconda. Python. Anaconda.
Excellent. You finished the quiz. Please comment how many correct answers you got. And don't forget to subscribe for more.